just imagine Noah getting the vision to build this big boat. He's going to save all the animals. He's going to save the world. He has this vision. And many times as pastors and leaders, we have this vision to save our city, save our state, save our nation, save the world. We're going to reach the world. And then at some point, we have to go out, find a tree, cut it down, and turn it into planks. Oh, come on, somebody. At some point, you got to say, you know what? I've got this vision. I've got this fervor. I've got this burden. But can you just think about Noah for a minute? He's got this vision for a boat. He's telling his wife, and I don't know what his wife's name was, but let's just call her Mildred. That sounds like Noah and Mildred. I mean, he goes over to the house and he tells Mildred, today I was praying and God showed me there's going to be a huge flood and everybody on earth is going to be wiped out, but we're going to build what's called a boat. And that boat is going to float on the water and it's going to save our family. And it's going to be amazing. And Mildred is looking at him like, Noah, you been out in the vineyard again? And he's all fired up, and he tells his boys, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, he's like, boys, we're going to build a big boat. They're all excited. They have a celebration. And then he goes out, and he starts the process by cutting down one tree and turning it into 2.5 planks. You know, when he was cutting that first tree down, at first he's like, this is awesome. And then he started smoothing out those planks and on. He didn't have a saw. That's why it took him 70 years. He had to do it all by hand. And just think about after that first tree, he had about 2.5 planks. And he's sitting there looking at it. And you know, everything inside of him was going, that was a bad idea. See, because I don't know about you, but infrastructure is probably one of the greatest places of discouragement. Because you don't have the excitement of seeing tangible ministry happen. But yet, if you don't do that critical work, your ministry capacity will always be extremely low.